Ukraine's constant targeting of Russia's supply chain helps to wear down Russia's capability, with FPV drones being the perfect weapon system to hit moving trucks carrying supplies. This time a Ural supply truck was spotted by Ukraine's drone surveillance, with a FPV drone sent after. Once within range of Ukraine's drone army, the larger and slower moving object has little chance of getting away. This one carrying ammunition inside, with the drone coming from behind going for the cargo, with Russia placing some branches as protection, which didn't seem to help, with a larger explosion blasting away the back section of the truck. A fire is also created, taking care of burning down the rest, taking out another supply truck with resources, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.